You work hard, earn your money, but somehow, it just seems to disappear. You might dabble in stocks, have a savings account, but that nagging feeling of there has to be a better way persists. Well, friend, fret no more. Today, we're diving into the world of robo-advisors, specifically, a fantastic platform called StashAway. But before we jump in, let's face it, financial jargon can be scary. Mutual funds, asset allocation, risk tolerance, it all sounds complex. What if I told you there was a way to invest for your future without a finance degree? StashAway simplifies investing, making it accessible and effective, even for complete beginners. So, how does StashAway work? Imagine a friendly robot advisor who takes your financial goals and risk tolerance into account, then builds a personalized investment portfolio, exactly what StashAway does. Here's the exciting part, getting started with StashAway is incredibly easy. We'll walk you through the entire process step by step, making you a confident investor in no time. Step 1. Sign up and answer a few questions. Head over to StashAway's website and create an account. Don't worry, it's a breeze. Then, you'll answer a series of questions about your financial goals, investment horizon, how long you plan to invest, and risk tolerance. Think of it as a financial personality quiz. Based on your answers, StashAway creates a custom portfolio specifically designed for you. Step 2. Choose your risk level. StashAway offers various risk profiles, from conservative to aggressive. The platform explains each profile clearly, so you can choose the one that aligns with your comfort level. Remember, investing always involves some risk, but StashAway helps you find the sweet spot between growth potential and risk tolerance. Step 3. Fund your investment. Once you're happy with your chosen portfolio, it's time to fuel your financial future. StashAway allows you to easily deposit funds through various secure methods. You can even start small, with some platforms requiring a minimum investment as low as $100. Step 4. Sit back and relax. That's it. StashAway takes care of the heavy lifting. The platform automatically rebalances your portfolio as needed, ensuring it stays aligned with your goals. You can monitor your progress anytime through the user-friendly StashAway app, but you don't have to spend hours analyzing markets. Now, let's address a common concern, fees. StashAway charges a transparent annual management fee, typically a small percentage of your invested assets. This fee covers the platform's technology and management of your portfolio. Compared to traditional investment advisors, StashAway's fees are significantly lower, making it a cost-effective option. Here's the bottom line. StashAway is a fantastic platform for anyone who wants to invest for their future without the hassle of managing individual stocks or dealing with complex investment products. It's perfect for beginners, busy professionals, or anyone who wants a smarter, simpler way to grow their wealth. With StashAway, you can finally ditch the financial hamster wheel and take control of your financial future. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to StashAway's website today and start building a brighter financial tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and until next time.